You know that feeling when the air turns crisp, amber leaf starts to fall, and cinnamon smells just so right? Well, that's this cookie. Soft, chewy, spiced just enough, with a little cocoa magic stirred in. We're making pumpkin cocoa snickerdoodles, your new favorite fall bake. First things first, we need that deep, rich pumpkin flavor. We're roasting fresh pumpkin. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Cube the pumpkin, toss it with a bit of oil, and roast for 25 to 30 minutes until caramelized and soft. Be sure to drain off any excess liquid. This step concentrates the natural sweetness and removes extra water so our cookies stay chewy and not cakey. Now for the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, and white sugar until fluffy. Next, beat in the egg yolk, roasted pumpkin puree, and vanilla. Look at that gorgeous orange hue. It's like autumn in a bowl. In another bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and all those warm spices: cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. The cocoa here actually doesn't make the cookie taste chocolatey, but just adds depth, richness, and nice contrast to the other flavors. Fold the dry ingredients into the wets until just combined. Don't overmix, we want tender, soft cookies. Here's a tip: if you have time, chill the dough for at least 45 minutes. Cold dough means thicker, chewier cookies and that beautiful crackled top you expect from Snickerdoodles. If you're excited about these cozy pumpkin cookies, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell. We've got a lot more where these came from, and you won't want to miss it. Time to roll and bake. Mix the cinnamon and sugar for the coating in a shallow bowl. Now scoop about 1 tablespoon of the dough, roll it into balls, and coat each ball generously in cinnamon sugar. Place them on a parchment-lined tray, leaving enough space between the cookies. Now go ahead and pop these in the oven at 175 for 10 to 12 minutes. You want the edges just set while keeping the center soft. Once they're out, let them cool on a tray for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. Toss in a handful of white chocolate drops before rolling for a sweeter finish. However you have them, they're delicious. Enjoy them warm with coffee, tuck them into a tin for guests, or just eat them straight from the tray. Try them at home, and naturally, tag us so we can see your creations. What's your favorite fall twist on a classic cookie? Let us know in the comments.